Nice stash of wacky wood. Now I got a real special one. Here we go. There she is. We got the torso right here. Right leg, left leg, right arm coming down here. We could turn this in a little knot into a hand. And then you can see his face. Maybe this can be an eye, another eye here. She's got a little mustache. Oh, let's take this guy back. That's his mustache. Looking pretty cool. All right. First, let's just give him a little trim on his stash. Now we're only going to remove what we know we don't want. Really liking this knot as a fist, and it's attached to this piece, which I do not like that as an arm. I really like this as the arm. So what I think I'm going to do is actually remove this all the way up in here and actually use that piece as the arm on this side and get rid of this because it's weak. Take this off first. Using all my support, it's getting a little scary. Come on, baby. Whoa. I do like it like that. Oh, this could be fun. Yes. I had drilled a hole right here, stuck a dowel in, drilled a hole in here, but it allows me to kind of slide that in. Nothing's permanent, but it gives me an idea of what it might look like. I've also been saving these pieces, which I sliced off of this. I think I'm gonna put that over there for the other eye. Raw. I kind of like this rock in here. That's kind of neat. So I got a late night surgical call here. I'm gonna remove this growth right here, this little tumor. Let's see how it goes. His brains are coming out. They're doing brain surgery. Mr. Mustachio, everything's gonna be okay. Oh, look at his brains come out. Oh God. Oh my God, he's got bugs in his brain. Like a tooth. Oh yes. Suppose this is gonna come out into his other arm. Much better. You'll feel better in the morning, Mr. Mustachio. Good night. Drilled two big thick holes. Old broom handle. We're gonna get that in there. Now we're gonna glue it up. Yeah, we're getting carried away with this glue right here. So let's insert that in there. So I got my little baby hammer. Oh yeah, that's solid, that's solid. Okay, here we go. Oh. Pretty solid. Try to jam some wedges in. I got a bigger gap than I had hoped. I'm gonna have a little bit of a seam there. I took some sawdust out of an old power sander, mix it with wood glue, create my own wood putty. I'm going to fill some of these voids, slap some of this in there. And we'll smooth that out, and that'll be it for tonight. Let it dry. Alrighty. There he is. Mustache man. A little sanding here. I removed a bunch of wood. The arm's secure. Put a bunch more dowels in there. Filled some of these voids with... Look at that sucker. Woo! Let's see what this thing does. First time ever. So in the end, I'm just trying to get this stuff to look a little bit more natural. You're gonna shake the wood right up. We're gonna take this baby. We already did a little on the eyes, but we're just gonna do a quick rundown over everything, especially these spots that I just roughed up. Oh yeah, nice. Fresh sandpaper. Looking pretty smooth. This is my favorite part. Yes, doctor? Let's do these eyes first. Bring out that green. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's darker than I thought. Wow. Oh, that's nice. It's beautiful. Oh, that's magnificent. Whoa. You know, this also, like up here, I've got some pretty porous dead wood. I took off most of the stuff that had no integrity to it, but this will absorb into those real soft woods, and got some cracks in some of these horns. We'll make it stronger too, even if you want to sand it again later. Oh, it's so shiny. That's it. There it is. I spin them this way a little bit. I don't know if I love that spot, but it'll work. It's good. Actually, that's pretty good lean right now.
It's not horrible at all.
But if he doesn't fall forward, at least his mustache won't break. If he falls back, he'll hit the house.
It'll just go glunk.
Yeah, we're good.
Fall sideways or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.